Hey guys, welcome back to another brand video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you open your app store you may face an error that your account has been disabled in the app store and iTunes. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may scroll down, and here is the option of date and time. So you may click here and click on set automatically, turn this on. Then guys, you may open your Apple account. So you may click here and you may log out your Apple account, and you may log in again, and then you may click on sign in at security, and you may change password of your Apple ID. Then guys, you may go back and you may open your app store, and you will check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may open any browser, and in search bar you may write here support.apple.com, and you may select your gadget from here. If you are using iPhone, you may click here on iPhone, or if you are using any other device, you may select that one. Then you may scroll down. Here is the option of get support, so you may click here on start now. So this interface will be open. Here is the option of more, so you may click here and you may select app store from here. Then guys, you may click here on continue, and you may just wait for some second. So here is the option of call us, so you may click here and you may contact to Apple support team from here, and you may tell them your problem, and Apple support will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.